Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use Reddit for YouTube. So, for example, you're making videos regarding, your YouTube channel is making videos regarding Valorant and all that, and you want to get some traffic on that YouTube channel. So what you can do is go to the r/Valorant community. So here's the Valorant community. Over here, we're gonna see as you see, people post videos as discussion, educational. They just post it here, right? So, and look at this guy, Valorant Good Vibes MV full video on YouTube. So he's advertising his YouTube in such a way. He's putting up a short clip over here, and then the rest of it is on YouTube. So if you want to see the entire thing, you have to go to YouTube. This is how he's utilizing Reddit for YouTube. So this is something you can do. This is a very good way to do it. Put 50% or 25% of your video on Reddit, and then the rest of the video on YouTube. So people that actually enjoy this video, they're gonna want to watch the full video, and they're gonna go to the YouTube channel to watch it out. And here's the other thing: if you just want to post a YouTube video, so let's just go to YouTube. Let's go to this video. You can just copy this link, post it Valorant, and then choose the community. I'm just gonna choose my own self, and yeah, just post. That's it. Honestly, that's about it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.